Every profitable trader today knows that revenge trading can destroy accounts faster than any bad setup. I'm going to show you how to stop it for good using just one Bible verse. This one shift can not only take you from emotional chaos to complete clarity in your trades, but can also provide complete clarity in your life. Stick around because I can assure you, you will never look at your charts the same way again. Let's get into it. So for those of you who don't know what revenge trading is when you take impulsive trades to make back against losses. It's emotional, it's reactive, and it is the number one reason why traders spiral into blowing accounts. I know because I've been there. And the moment I brought my faith into the trading discipline, everything changed. Welcome to another episode of what we call Trading Bible Study with Chyke Investing, where I connect the Bible with your real-world trading experience to help you overall become a more profitable trader. A lot of times we miss the intersection between God's principles and how it may impact our day-to-day living. That includes your trading. And I'm very excited to talk to you about today's concept. We're going to go ahead and introduce today's Bible verse. And in order for you to understand today's Bible verse, you need to understand this first. The root of revenge trading isn't your strategy. It's your thoughts. If you don't control them, they'll control you. That's why 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 5 says, take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. So what is that telling you? There are some thoughts in your mind that don't belong there. And the only way you're going to get rid of them is by literally noticing them and taking captive of them and removing them from your thought process. What's usually the thoughts that come into your mind after you take a loss? Oh man, I'm so stupid. I can't believe I took this loss. Oh man, the market must really suck. So I probably am not cut out for this. Or I'm probably not going to make any money. The market just trash. Oh, my strategy doesn't work. Oh, this is going to keep happening to me over and over again. And these are, of course, all very human thoughts to have. Okay? It's not your fault. Every trader goes through thoughts like that. But that's why it's really important to notice which thoughts are helpful and which are not, which you need to keep and which you need to remove, because your thoughts are going to become the foundation for the actions that you take. And one of those actions could be revenge trading. So here's how to help take captive of your thoughts. Anytime you take a loss, I pause, I breathe, I go on a walk if I have to, and I analyze my thoughts and I check them against facts. I check them against truth. Have I taken a loss like this before? Have I made money back? Is it likely that if I keep going, I will get better and learn from this loss? This next trade I'm about to take, is this trade a part of my plan, or am I truly just reacting emotionally to the market? Doing this process, iterating on what's in your mind and what shouldn't be there and what you should replace it with, can literally save you thousands of dollars, because your psychology needs to be intact before you go ahead and start taking any executions. And I know I mentioned that I was only going to go over one verse, but I actually have a bonus verse for you guys. Philippians chapter 4, verse 8. Whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, think about such things. So in trading terms, this is really giving you a roadmap on how to not, one, just take those thoughts captive, but what to replace them with. The thoughts that should be in your mind after you take a loss are thoughts that are constructive towards resetting you on a path towards progressing to profitability, not holding you back or condemning you to losses. So what could be thoughts that are admirable here? What could be thoughts that are true and right? Oh, well, this is only a short-term temporary loss. If I keep going, one day I will get better. Every trader takes losses. Is this normal to go through? Yes, of course. Some of the trading gurus in the space that have been here for a long time and are some of the most profitable people that have ever lived literally had 3 to 4 or 5 years where they were just straight losing. So is it out of character for you that you've only been trading for less than a year, really taking it seriously, even if you've been kind of dabbling in trading for the past 10, you've only been taking it seriously for a year? Is it normal to be taking consistent losses? Of course it is. It's a very highly volatile career. If I just keep going, if I just keep learning from my mistakes, one day will I become a profitable trader? These are the kind of things that should be in your mind that you're replacing your bad thoughts with when you're on that break, when you're taking a break to think, when you're resetting your mind. This is what you want to replace those captive thoughts with. So here are a couple practical steps that you can take away every single time that you take a loss and you feel like revenge trading. One, pause, pray, breathe. Okay. So just take a second, remove yourself from the charts, go on a walk, and then breathe and pray to God. Pour your heart out. Let him know your frustrations. The next step that you need to do is filter those thoughts. So after you've poured your heart out, you've talked to God a bit, you have calmed down effectively, right, from the pain and the toxicity from taking that loss, you need to take captive those thoughts and then filter them using Philippians 4:8. Replace them with thoughts that are true and right, like what I mentioned before. Number 3, make sure that you're speaking truth. Make sure that you're speaking positively and reinforcing yourself, saying, hey, it's okay to take the losses. I just got to keep going. 4, make sure that you're journaling it down. These are also very critical to your overall progress and development. At the end of the day, when you write down the losses that you've taken time to step back and analyze what were all the parameters, what were the conditions, how did I feel in the moment, what was the market doing in the moment, was there news coming out, was it seek and destroy conditions, so on and so forth. And you can notify down what are the things that happened when you were around taking that loss. And at the end of the week, you read back that journal and it'll help stitch into your mind, tattoo into your mind certain conditions and likelihoods that lead to a loss. And over time, you can refine your trading plan, you can refine your trading strategy. And I'm telling you, if you do that for several months, you will see complete and turnaround improvement in your day-to-day trading. So in closing, revenge trading isn't just a trading problem. It's a mindset issue. And God in his holy word has already given us the tools to master our mind. So remember those 2 verses, 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 5, take captive every thought. And Philippians chapter 4, verse 8, only think about whatever is true and right and worthy of praise. And I promise you, if you do this, not only will your trading improve, but your overall peace as well. Now, if you've liked what you heard so far, if any of this has helped you, press that like button. That's what it's for. It's free of charge. You can press the subscribe button as well. Press the notification bell so you don't miss a single video where I'll help you go through these kind of things as well. Leave a comment below about one thing that you're grateful for this week. And lastly, there's a free Discord link below. Go join it. There's a lot of value in there, and we can't wait to see you in there. Peace and love. See you guys in the next video.